Most local tyre shops are invisible online not because they're bad at what they do, but because Google doesn't know they exist. And here's the scary part. Customers are searching for tyres right now, ready to buy, and calling the shop that shows up first. If that's not you, you're losing work every single day without even realizing it. In this episode, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a Google business profile for your tyre shop or mobile fitting business, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to get your garage showing up for tyres near me, how to get more calls without running ads, and how to do it properly so Google actually sends customers your way. Stick with me till the end, because one small mistake here can keep you buried while your competitors win the calls. This matters more than most garage owners think. When someone needs tyres, they're not browsing Instagram. They're not comparing 10 websites. They pull out their phone, type something like "tyre shop near me" or "mobile tyre fitting open now," and they call whoever shows up. That's it. If Google doesn't show your business, it's like your garage doesn't exist, even if you're the best fitter in town. Here's something no one talks about enough. You don't even need a website to start getting calls. A properly set up Google business profile alone can bring daily inquiries. And for a lot of independent tyre shops, it becomes their #1 lead source. So let's break this down, step by step, without overcomplicating it. First, understand how customers actually find you. When someone searches for tyres locally, Google shows a map with 3 businesses at the top. That's where the calls go. Those listings come almost entirely from Google business profiles. No profile means no map listing. No map listing means no phone calls. This is where most people mess up. They think Facebook pages or word of mouth is enough. It's not anymore. Now, let's get you set up. Open your browser and go to google.com/business. Sign in using your business email. If you don't have one, use a Gmail you'll keep long term. Don't use a random personal account you might lose access to later. That's a small thing that causes big problems down the line. Once you're signed in, Google will ask for your business name. If your garage already exists on Google, select it. If not, create a new one. Use your real trading name, not keyword stuff nonsense. Don't call it Best Cheap Tyres London 24/7. That can hurt you. Use your actual business name as customers know it. Next, Google will ask for your location. If you have a physical garage customers visit, enter your full address exactly as it appears everywhere else. Same spelling, same format. Consistency matters more than people realize. If you're mobile only, this is important, so don't skip it. Choose the option that says you deliver goods and services to customers. Then you can hide your exact address and set your service areas instead. Add the towns or areas you actually cover. Don't add half the country. Be realistic. Now comes one of the most important steps, category selection. This is where a lot of tyre shops quietly sabotage themselves. Choose the most accurate primary category. For most of you, that will be tyre shop or mobile tyre fitter. If you're also a mechanic, you can add that as a secondary category later. Your main category tells Google what searches you should appear for, so get this right. After that, add your phone number. Make sure it's a number you actually answer. Sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised. Google will also ask for your website. If you don't have one, that's fine. Leave it blank. Your profile will still work. Then comes verification. Google needs to confirm you're a real business. Usually they'll send a postcard with a code to your address. Sometimes they'll offer phone or email verification instead. Whatever method they give you, complete it as soon as possible. Until you're verified, you won't fully show up. Once you're verified, this is where the real advantage starts. Add photos. Real photos, not stock images. Take pictures of your garage, your vans, your tyre machines, your team, even tyres stacked up ready to be fitted. Google loves real businesses, and customers trust what they can see. Profiles with photos get more calls. Simple as that. This is where most people mess up again. They upload photos once and never touch it again. Instead, add new photos regularly. Even 1 or 2 a week helps. Now let's talk about reviews, because this is where independence can beat big chains. Ask happy customers for a review. Don't be awkward about it. Just say, if you don't mind, a quick Google review really helps us. Even 10 good reviews can put you ahead of a chain location that has none or bad ones. And here's something important: reply to every review. Thank people for positive ones. Respond calmly and professionally to negative ones. Google sees this as a sign of an active, trustworthy business. Customers do too. Don't skip this part. Fill in your services. Add things like tire fitting, puncture repair, wheel balancing, tracking, mobile callouts, seasonal tire changes. These services help you show up for more specific searches, not just generic ones. Next, write your business description. Use plain English. Mention what you do, who you serve, and your local area. For example, say you're a local tire shop serving a specific town or area. Don't keyword stuff it. Write it for humans first. Here's something no one talks about enough: updates. Google lets you post updates just like social media. Offers, photos, quick tips, job updates. You don't need to post daily. Once a week is enough. It tells Google you're active and gives customers confidence you're open and responsive. At this point, pause and ask yourself this: when someone searches for tires near you tonight, would you trust your own listing enough to call it? If not, that's what you need to fix. Now, let's talk about ranking higher, because just having a profile isn't always enough. Keep your opening hours accurate, especially bank holidays. Nothing annoys customers more than turning up to a closed garage that Google said was open. Use real photos regularly, not polished stock images. Respond to reviews quickly. Keep your details consistent: same phone number, same business name, same address everywhere online. And don't overthink it. This is where people get stuck. They think they need to be perfect before they start. You don't. A basic, honest profile beats no profile every time. Comment yes if you've ever put this off because it felt confusing or technical. Here's the big takeaway: Google business profiles aren't about marketing tricks. They're about visibility, showing up when customers are already looking to buy. 10 minutes to set it up, 10 minutes a week to maintain it, and it can outperform paid ads for a lot of local tire shops. So, to recap quickly, if you want more local tire jobs, you need to show up where customers are searching. Set up your profile properly. Choose the right category. Add real photos, get reviews, stay active. That's it. You don't need fancy branding. You don't need a big website. You just need to be visible. If you want more clear, practical advice like this for growing a local garage or trade business without wasting money, subscribe and stick around. And if you've already got a profile set up, drop a comment with how many reviews you have. It'll be interesting to see where everyone's at.